How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the final on Veronica's tribute build. And Veronica was Rick Zink's daughter. He tragically lost her, and prayers go out to Rick and his family in this time of need. And I can't say much on it. I get too emotional over stuff like that, so I'm not going to say much, but this video is about her. And as y'all remember, I built the vintage AMT 63 Corvette customizing kit, and that would be that Corvette right there, 63 convertible, and that was the kit that I built. Before I turn around and show you that, let's see. I want to tell everybody, you know, all y'all that's going to Acme, I wish I could have made it this year. It just ain't gonna happen. Maybe next year. Like I said, you know, vacation and all that stuff, I just don't have this year. This year, I used a lot of vacation with other things going on and everything. I just don't have it. But one thing about it is you know, I'm gonna wish all y'all safe travels. I know some of y'all got to travel a good ways to get there. Mr. BG, Brian, a bunch of you is going. Of course, I know Tom. Tom lives down in Florida, which ain't too far of a drive for him. Rambler 69. There's several of you that live in Florida. It's not too big of a drive. I think Nemo, doesn't Nemo live in Georgia? Neiman Chambers. Well, you know, all y'all that's going, I wish I could be there. I hope y'all have fun and buy lots of models at the swap meet. Tim, if you're going, show those models. I want to see all y'all's footage of the meetups, of the model show and the contest and everything. And like I said, y'all be safe and have fun. Wish I could be there. But with that being said, since I can't be there, our local hobby town in Fort Smith, Arkansas is having a hobby show and a model contest, which they have usually twice a year. And it's time again for their hobby show, which I'll leave for anybody that lives in Arkansas and the surrounding area, Oklahoma, Missouri, Texas, Mississippi, wherever, you know, Louisiana, any of y'all that are subscribed to me or listen to me or know anybody and you can't make it to the Acme show, this one here is the Old Fort model contest, and it will be Saturday, November 6th. And like I said, I'll leave a picture of this in the video. That way y'all can see and freeze it or whatever. It's 9 to 4. If any of y'all can make it, I'll be there. Big Aaron from the Frayed Brush will be there, and y'all need to subscribe to him too. He will be there. Matter of fact, he's the president of the model club, so, you know, of course he's going to be there. Me and him both will be there. There'll be other people there and stuff. But all right, I just wish for y'all, you know, safe travels and have fun. And let me turn this around and show you what I've gotten done on Veronica's build. All right, guys. Oh, and stick around after this, and I'll have some build pictures after this too. So stick around for that. All right, guys. Here she is in all her glory. AMT vintage 1965 Corvette. This one here. Let's see, what all did I do to it? Let's see. All right, as you can see, let me get this little pointer out here. Tom, Joe, look at there. What do you call that? That's a roof or a luggage rack, and it's got Veronica's luggage, and she's got her little decals on there, her little stickers. It's got her travel sack, or what do you want, a blanket, or what do you want to call it, a little throw. Uh, she had a little 4-speed car. Let's see. Let's pick this up. We got the carpet in there. I don't know if you can see it very good or not. It's got carpet in it. The flocking, seat belts. I don't know if you can see the dash in there or not. I did the dash. Put the clear coat over for the lenses on the dash. Let's see. The white walls are the old, come off the little decal sheet that come on them little stickers, white wall stickers, and they actually stuck to it. I black washed everything. I chrome foiled the vents right here, put a black wash in them. The headlights are opened. You can see right there, there's the grill. I don't know if that'll focus. The headlights are open. I painted the headlights in because that whole piece was chrome, and the whole thing was chrome. The headlights, everything was chrome. Well, in the real car, you know, it was the body color and then the headlights, so that's what I did there. Let's see. Oop, I hit my little stand thing. I don't know. Let me pick this up here. There's the focus. The tail lights, the little license plate said 1963. Let's turn this over here. There's the bottom, the chassis, just a real simple chassis, nothing to it. Everything's all molded in. Let's see. Let's open this hood up. Let's get it open. Hopefully we can keep it open. And there it goes. Alright, there's the hood. You can see right there, I put the ignition wires. It's got the battery. I did the Mr. BG battery, the green battery, and on top with the white. It's got an expansion tank over there in the corner. You got your water bottle, your hose, your firewall. There's really nothing too special about it, guys. Let's see. That's trying to come off now. Let's get it from this end right here. Let you see. It's just my rendition of the little red Corvette. Well, she don't want to stay open now. Oh well. Rick, I hope you like it. Like I said, there's not much else to say. It's hard to say stuff in situations like that, but it was an honor to do a tribute for Veronica. There she is. There's that beautiful engine. And before I go, we need a little more luggage rack. Can I get just a little more luggage rack? I think that's what I need, just a little more luggage rack. There you go, Joe, Tom. A little more luggage rack. Rick, I hope you love it. Matter of fact, I'm going to take this to the model show Saturday in Fort Smith. Stick around for the pictures afterwards. Any of y'all that live around me, close around me, around the state of Arkansas, model shows on the 6th, Saturday, Hobbytown, Fort Smith. All right, guys. Love y'all. Peace out.